The Act 3, Scene 4. We are going to start with Act 3, Scene 4. The themes of loyalty to friends, disguise, deceit form the subject of the scene. Portia, that means they are the main topics that have been discussed in this scene. Portia conceives of a plan to rescue Antonio from the clutches of the Jew. Now, Portia actually makes a plan, and what was the plan was to save Antonio from the clutches of the Jew. She entrusts Lorenzo and Jessica. Entrust means gives the responsibility to Lorenzo and Jessica with the charge of her house. That means she gives the responsibility of her house to them. She sends a messenger to Dr. Valerio in Padua. Now, what does she do is she also sends a messenger to Dr. Valerio in Padua. Now, what can you say about Dr. Valerio in Padua is, who was Dr. Valerio is, that Dr. Valerio was actually a cousin of Portia, and he was a very learned and a very reputed lawyer in Padua. And moreover, what request that she makes over here to her brother was that she was actually going to request Dr. Valerio that he must must recommend Portia as a lawyer so that she could take up the case of Antonio. Okay, so that is why she sends a messenger to Dr. Valerio in Padua. Now, what does she do is, Portia is actually going to send a messenger to Dr. Valerio in Padua, seeking from the eminent doctor of law a letter recommending her to the Duke of Venice. Now, he was an eminent doctor of law. Doctor of law means he was a very, very learned lawyer, and he was actually seeking. She was actually wanting to get the eminent doctor of law, that means from a learned lawyer, a letter which will recommend Portia to be the lawyer to the Duke of Venice. That means she wanted a letter to be recommended to the Duke of Venice that Portia was now going to take up the case of Antonio. She then gets ready to go to Venice disguised as a lawyer and Nerissa as her clerk. Now, she in the meantime only gets ready to go to Venice disguised in the form of a lawyer, and moreover Nerissa in the disguise of her clerk. Okay. Now, we all know that till now it is that we have discussed that there was a scene where Antonio was found to be in custody. He was there in the custody of the jailer, plus he for the first time has also gone to Shylock to request him so that he can be merciful towards him. But it was Shylock, being such an adamant kind of a person, such a rigid and firm kind of a person, that he was not at all ready to take any kind of excuses or accept any kind of request from the side of Antonio, and he was absolutely adamant, saying all the time to him that I will have my bond and nothing else. Now, further, this is actually you can say a scene which is also going to tell us that how the rescue operation of Antonio started, or who were the people who were going to start that rescue operation, what was the plan, and what were the things to be done. And for this only we get to know that it is actually a kind of a scene in which Portia was the one who was going to act as the rescuer. She was going to go to rescue Antonio from the clutches of the Jew, and of course when she was going to be absent in her house, then of course she will have to give the responsibility of her mansion or her house to someone else. And you remember how come Salerio and Lorenzo have come over there. I've already told you in the previous video. So it's written that Lorenzo and Jessica, when they were there, so she was quite very relaxed that Lorenzo and Jessica are there and they can look after the house. So she gave the charge of her house to them, and then she starts her plan by sending to Dr. Valerio a letter that was sent by taken by her messenger to Padua. And she has actually requested in that letter that the doctor should recommend her to take up the case of Antonio. Moreover, then she further gets ready to go to Venice.